Hey, welcome to Squarebody Stuff. I'm Chad, your beautiful host. It's kind of a dreary day outside. Nasty, rainy, in the 30s, just above freezing, so we don't have freezing rain yet, but it's looking that way. But I want to set up a scenario, or set up kind of what happened last night. I was leaving for work. Went to back cream puff out of the shop because we were supposed to be getting some nasty weather. I thought, well, I'll keep him in the shop tonight. That way he doesn't get nasty. I don't have to scrape the windshield before I leave for work. So I opened the door, backed him out, shut the door, got in him, backed out. Of course, this is about 10:30 at night. It's dark. Wasn't paying attention. And I forgot Squeaky was back there. Yeah. That was a pretty much perfectly good 77 through 79 grill that was in Squeaky. It's mashed to pieces. I might be able to fix it. But the reason why they're still here is because the bumper, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lip on the bumper of Cream Puff that's hooked around the front bumper of Squeaky. Squeaky been sitting there since the last video when some idiot stole him and hot rodded the crap out of him when he wasn't supposed to be. You can go check that video out. I'll put a link up there in the corner for it. But he's got a flat tire now. I ended up dragging him a little bit, trying to get it unhooked because I was trying to get to work. Ended up having to get Maxine out of the shop. She was on the other side. And pull around, just barely had enough room to go around here. But yeah, Cream Puff and Squeaky are hung up like a couple yard dogs. You can see there where that bumper's hooked. They're hooked pretty good. It got the tail light on Cream Puff. Of course, his bumper was already bent out just a little bit. So, actually, Cream Puff didn't get as much damage as what Squeaky has suffered. He got this balance, whatever you want to call it. So, I'll get that tire aired up. I think that might be enough to get the back end up and pull this front end down. I may have to jack the back end of Cream Puff up to get him unhung and get Squeaky pulled back and really assess the damage. Stay tuned. Ugh. there's pieces of the grill. I thought I might be able to glue it back together, but that's probably not going to happen. Got the taillight pretty good. Honestly, the bumper doesn't look much worse than it did before, other than this lip. That's where it was hung at. Let's go check out Squeaky. Squeaky is not running right. Something happened to him on that last video. That's why I don't like other people driving him. He's not right. Something's wrong with him. But we'll figure that out later. And we'll try to fix this. Wow. Oh well. Sometimes you just got to pay attention. Well, the good thing is, let's check the oil on Squeaky. There's no water or antifreeze in the oil, so it didn't blow head gasket. So that's good. I was worried about that. Not sure what he done to it. We'll pull plugs out sometime, check the plugs. Hopefully there's no piston material melted to the plugs. Hopefully it just fouled the plug out or burned the plug or something like that. So I think I'll go ahead and lick my wounds. We're not going to worry about fixing anything right now on this video. Let's end this video off here. Wasn't long, wasn't much. I just wanted to, I guess, show off my stupidity. You know, things happen sometimes, but, you know, hey, gives me more content on the channel. I mean, I can't make this stuff up. This is what happens to, you know, to people sometimes. At least they weren't, you know, $30,000 show trucks. This is why I like driving junk, because it's really not that upsetting. I mean, it is, but it isn't. I think I've got another taillight. I've got grills I can put in Squeaky. It is a little upsetting because that was a really nice grill, but it is what it is. Deal with what you got. So we'll probably end it off here. I hope you guys have a happy new year. This is the way my 2020 is ending up. Certainly not as bad as some people's 2020, but hopefully 2021 will be better for us. Y'all hang in there. We'll catch you on the flip side. Happy New Year. Keep your square bodies rolling, and we'll catch you later.